Hello, this is George with the Harmony Trading System, and we're coming to you on Monday, the 13th, and with the market analysis for today. Let's get going. And it's been an exciting and intense trading sessions, one after the other. Well, we're going to start off with looking at YM and talking about this channel. And if you've been reviewing some of our analysis earlier on last week and the week before that, you will see this consolidation in and around channel number two of this price action. We talked about how target number one is a possibility, and target number two on a retest of this zone is a big possibility as well. And we saw in three sessions us getting there fairly quickly. Now, target number three is 29,152 on a continuation of this really severe pattern that we're seeing here. So target number three is 29,152. You would think that we should be pausing, soon, and at least try to consolidate with a dead cat bounce or something of that nature. But the intensity of the selling pressure is really truly, uh, you know, profound. Okay, so target number three, as we said, 29,152, and that's where we at. And let's take a look at ES. The same situation. I mean, when you're looking at indices like Russell 2000, YMNQES, you're going to see them behaving in a very similar manner. Okay. Target number one is hit in that sequence. And one of the interesting parts when we're talking about ES is we saw the same type of pattern happen in March. And a lot of people say, oh, this is a bull flag. It's not. It's just one of those things. It's a consolidation breakdown. And they were walking the market one leg at a time. And now the first leg, this is the second leg, came back and retested the third leg of it in a way. And target number two is hit. Target number three in the sequence is 3428.5. 3428.5. Target number four is 2847. I mean, when we start talking about numbers like that, that just really uh, on an extreme market move. And I don't know, I don't see us getting there, in a anytime soon. But the market gives you the impression it may be. But 3428.5 is target number three. We thought that we're going to come into this structure right here that we're seeing, which is from 961 into 3809, and actually at least put some consolidation pattern. And the market was really strong and convicted in the way it wanted to pursue the short side of the market. Okay, so let's take a look on, here we go, crude oil. Crude oil, we hit target number two, and we talked about how we need to come to this level in and around 117, and then look for that one candle reversal to enter. We're busy trading NQ today, so we didn't actually put on any trades in crude oil, but that is exactly what we were looking for. So, uh, preferably an actual piercing of the transitional zone, but it doesn't have to happen. Close enough, we came into it and we bounced right back. So, the idea here into tomorrow is to see a bit of push back up to that 123. And if that happens after this move, then we are seeing 125 to 130 in a breakout of that whole pattern. So we'll see, and definitely we need to protect the 119 and a quarter as an area that needs to hold throughout the session tomorrow. If we break the 19 and a quarter, I'll look for the market to actually come into that 116, 114 area, then show the same type of pattern of behavior of reversal that we're seeing. We've been seeing for a while coming through. So that's that. And what a reversal! What a reversal in gold. We hit target number one on Friday, reversed it, and then I mean it was just an utter destruction of price action here. a full and complete reversal, and the market hit target number one. Now into and closed at the lows of the day. I mean, you would think with the indices selling off the gold as a defensive instrument, and Bitcoin and Ethereum and the rest of these instruments are supposed to be a protection against the market in the indices and the stock market tanking. They are defensive and a safe haven, but they are getting hammered as much or even worse than what you're seeing here in the index market. Okay. And target number, the 1800 is a possibility. In a continuation, it's going to take a whole lot of work for this market to really rebound and start becoming bullish, right? It's going to take some time for that to happen. We may get a dead cat bounce into into tomorrow's action, but that has a declining resistance and also a price action and a channel two at 1854 and a half. So if we get up there, that's very shortable into target number two and also into the 1800. Then that will lead us to target number three, which is 1765.3. And from there, I mean, things can get to 1582, 1460. Boy, I mean, that would be something to see. Now, Nasdaq, we were talking about the same thing. Channel number two, we're seeing this across the board from multiple instruments, and target number two is hit at 11,532 and a half. It just went right through it. This area did not hold. We are looking for an extension of that move into target number three. Target number three is 10,263 and a half. That's big numbers right there. And from there, target number four and five are numbers I don't want to even utter the words of, because that would be like 64, 56.5, 39, 18 and a half. That's some destruction right there. But the probability of target four and target five coming to fruition is really low, but target number three is a high probability event, and that will be the flush that will put a short-term bottom into the market, and then we could see some price stability and bid coming into the market at that point. But that's what we're looking for. Any rallies back up into this level right here will experience a bit of resistance that's going to push us lower. Okay, so shorting the rallies, and we're looking for an exhaustive sell-off that will basically uh, into target number three, which is 10,263. Okay, and we can see that the market today was an extension of this captain setup short that we did. This is a 200 NT Rinko, and through one, two, and three sessions, market just nothing but selling pressure through all that, and we hit target number five. That did not even stop it. Price action went lower and continued to go lower. Okay, so let's take a look at the news, because that could be something that will give us a bit of guidance to what to expect. So we have PPI, core PPI tomorrow at 7:30 Central, and then into that's Tuesday and into Wednesday. You got retail sales, you got crude oil inventory report. Then, boy, here we go. This can be the event on Wednesday. The FOMC statement, Fed fund rate, and a press conference. The market is desperately looking for guidance from the Feds, and they are looking for, uh, something that they're going to do that's going to calm the nerves down. So the market is anticipation of that Fed rate. They're coming in there and it's like, okay, let's be on the defensive just in case. But that is going to give us a great deal of opportunity if tomorrow is a big negative day into the FOMC. Maybe we'll get a relief rally. So we're going to be watching for not we're trying to see if we can get a two-sided market, not just a market that's decisively short like this, and this can give us the guidance into that. Thursday we got Philly Fed and unemployment report, and that is very important. So I mean, the whole week is full of economic news. There are a factor and a market mover. And Friday you have Fed Chair Powell speaks 7:45 on Friday. So we got definitely an eventful week ahead of us when it comes to economic news. All right. And that's it for us as far as the analysis for this coming week and actually for tomorrow. And just remember, precision is a decision and always trade in harmony. And we will see you on the next one. Have a good one.